Good morning and welcome to the orientation for building your own studios in your various divisions in your offices. My name is Paulo Bejones and I'll be leading the orientation today. We have with us also Director Abanil of the ICTS to offer support as well to all of our attendees and participants today. So once again, good morning. Today we're going to be talking about capacity building, and we have really two areas of capacity building that we want to explore here. The first one is capacity building for your teacher broadcasters. So the past few months, there were several searches and several, I guess you can call it calls for teacher broadcasters to be part of a training program wherein they will learn, they will be enabled, equipped, and at the same time, they will be learning how to become teacher broadcasters on television. Now, the past few days, we also had a dry run on television. I hope some of you saw it on IBC 13 and on Solar, wherein these teacher broadcasters were able to produce their own television lessons. Now, producing content for television is not an easy task. It's not as simple as, say, for example, having your cell phone and taking videos and then just airing that and posting it. For television, it's totally different. There's a whole new process when we talk about television broadcast. And that's also what we want to address today. So once again, good morning to all of our participants, our attendees, the superintendents, the division heads, and all of their staff and team that is present with us today. So let's talk about the two areas of capacity building. One, for those who have teacher broadcasters in your area, those who have teachers who have been chosen to be part of the training program, we want to be able to offer them the kind of support so that when they do produce their videos, these are what we call broadcast quality videos. That's one side. The other side of capacity building we're talking about is how will you be able to, based on the resources that you have, how will you be able to assist or augment the talent force of the central office? Now, to give you an overview of the kind of volume of episodes and lessons that will have to be produced on a weekly, monthly, and across 6 months, we are talking about 81 lessons every week, which translates to 320 every month, and in a span of 6 months, about 1,920. Now, these video lessons are going to be 25 minutes in length. And again, for those of you who are not familiar with how it works on television, 25 minutes is the average length for a 30-minute show. The other 5 minutes is meant for commercials and other plugs if the network wants to produce other TV shows. Or if you're a block timer, if you're able to secure that time slot, then you can actually sell that to advertisers. Now, 25 minutes for a video lesson is not easy. It may sound simple enough, but because we're talking about television, we cannot just take a video of a teacher broadcaster doing his or her lecture and then simply posting that or simply submitting that. The networks will not accept it. The networks have a certain standard that we have to fulfill so that the material that we send to them will be aired. Now, we want to be able to orient everyone in terms of what is it exactly that we need, what is it exactly that you can build in your areas, in your locations, with several considerations. Number one, it shouldn't be expensive. The kind of setup that we're looking for shouldn't cost an arm and a leg. Number two, it's easy to set up, meaning the resources are readily available there. You will be able to access certain suppliers if need be. No. Then the third part really is we want to make sure that all of the various resources that we will be tapping also have a certain standard. So again, to give you an overview of what we're trying to do here, we're trying to build studios for the teacher broadcasters to have broadcast quality content that will be aired on the various television networks and cable channels. Two, we need assistance here over at the central office when it comes to resources. For example, if we're talking about editors, graphics artists, and illustrators. So I do believe that some of you out there are editors, are graphics artists, are illustrators, and we just need to be able to make sure that the equipment that you have and the capacity that you have and also the capabilities that you have will match the need right now here at the central office. So one of the things that we're going to be discussing is we're going to be going through the entire pre-production, production, and post-production aspect of what needs to be completed for videos to become television lessons. And we're going to take you step by step so that you can see in each step if, okay, that is something that we can do. Okay, that's something that we want to contribute to. It goes without saying that what we're about to embark on, or what we have started on together with Yusek Elaine, with Director Abanil of the ICTS, is unprecedented. This is something that has never, ever been done before. Never, ever have teacher broadcasters been trained in a span of a few weeks or maybe a few months so that they can have television shows that will be airing on major television networks. It's never been done. Two, it's never been done before that we are talking about an average of 21 video lessons rather every single day that will be produced over a span of 5 to 6 days. That's never been done. What else has never been done? It's never been done before that a television program will be mandatory viewing for students. Okay, so that's a brief overview of what we have to do.